Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some service work on this Craftsman T210 riding lawnmower. We're going to be replacing the blades and doing an oil change. So if you're wanting to learn how to take off this deck to replace the blades, I'm going to do a little walkthrough and show you how to do this. And the camera could be a little shaky. I don't have a mount for my camera right now, but I'll do my best. So let's get to it. First thing to do is to lower your deck all the way to the ground, and the decks on these come off really simple. There's just hangers. You have one up here on the front, and you have one back here and one back here. Those are the main things that hold the deck in place. The other thing you're gonna have to remove is the cable that engages the blade, which you can see the cable. Look at this right here. I'll show you the cable from the other side, it'll be easier. And the only other thing you're gonna have to do is pull this belt off. So it might sound intimidating at first, but it's real simple. So we're gonna start by removing this up here. These pins are real simple. They just flex. So you can take it, flex it, it pops off. That's it, that's all there is to it. What I do is I take the pin and set it right here. Pull that off. Next thing, we're gonna go over here to this back one. Same thing. Take this, flex it, like that, and it's gonna shoot, so you wanna be careful. You don't want it to, if I just do this and not careful, it'll go missing. So it's a little challenging to do while I'm holding the camera. There we go. Second pin. And then I'm going to take and just pull this off. Now, to help this out, I'm going to lift up on the deck. Just grab it right here. Now I'll lift the deck up, and then I'll slide this out. Okay? So easy enough. Let's go around the other side. Now on this side you have the same hanger located on this right here. Pop this out. Alright, we'll set this here. Okay, so we have the bracket on this side. Let's see, get this where you can see it. I'm gonna set it here while I take this and get it off. I don't know if you've seen how I did that. So just take and lift it and then push it out. So it's pretty simple, no tools so far. I set it right here. So you got two on that side, one on this side. Take this and just kind of lift up on the deck. Slide that bracket out. Now after you have this brackets disconnected, take your lever that raises and lowers the deck and raise it up all the way now. That's going to get the hangers out of the way where we can slide this deck out. Alright, so with those hangers up and out of the way now, you can see the blade engagement cable right here. And so it has the same style pin, same thing to get it off. A little bit of a challenge because you gotta get a little further underneath there, but as you can see, I'm already, that's it. So now, with that pin out of there, you want to give the cable some slack, and you can do that by taking the bracket where it connects to. Let me get a good angle for you here. And push it. And grab the whole pulley here. See how it's moving it? And how it moved the cable out? Now you can take and see if I can mount this where you can just see. Okay, hopefully this is a good angle. Guys, be patient with me. I'm going to get some people to help film and some different mounts. So now that I have that cable out of here, I can just push this deck back a little bit and I can get the spring out of here. So it can be a little bit of a challenge to get this out. Something that can help get this out is to go ahead and remove the belt off the front. It just slides off the front. And so this bracket holds this belt. There's no, it doesn't touch, but it just, the belt rests on this when the blade's disengaged. So this bracket is just spring mounted right here. You can see this little nipple coming out. And what you can do is just take, you see that? You do that, you can kind of manipulate this bracket back. And that'll give you enough room to just take the belt and slide it off like that. Alright, with that belt disconnected, you can really move this deck to give yourself a little bit more slack with this cable. Now this cable, you can kind of twist it to get it off now. So I'll slide this out the other way. So, you know, the mower's facing to the left. I'm going to slide this deck out on the passenger side of the wheel. And then you'll be able to see, get the spring off a little easier. This is the spring. That's it. So far, I've not used any tools, and this deck is completely off. Only using my hands and a little bit of time. And under 10 minutes. And that's how you remove the deck. I hope that helps. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. We'll start another video that shows how to remove the blades and what I'm going to do the blade replacement. Okay, thanks for watching. If this helps, go ahead and subscribe, like, leave some feedback, some comments. I'm new to doing these videos, so I'm open to some feedback and suggestions. Thanks a lot, guys.